Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread syrup easy method. Start by mashing 2 very ripe bananas, then simmer with brown sugar, water, and a pinch of salt until thick and glossy. Stir in vanilla and a squeeze of lemon to balance sweetness. Strain for a silky syrup, cool completely, and bottle it. Store refrigerated up to 2 weeks and reheat gently before serving. Let's walk through the prep in order so you feel confident making this syrup at home. Mash bananas thoroughly, measure brown sugar and water, and set a small saucepan on medium heat. Stir constantly while the mixture simmers to prevent sticking and to develop a glossy texture. Add vanilla near the end for aroma, then strain into a clean container. Cool fully before using on pancakes or in coffee. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate you. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which is great for setting a cozy baking playlist while you cook. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Finishing well makes the syrup feel special and last longer in your kitchen. After simmering, press the mixture through a fine mesh strainer for a velvety pour and to remove fibrous bits. Transfer to a sterilized bottle, label with the date, and chill promptly. Reheat gently to liquefy before serving. This syrup brightens pancakes, waffles, lattes, or toast and stores neatly in the fridge for quick breakfasts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.